Hey cake lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you this amazing cake recipe. This recipe is really easy to make. It just requires 3 ingredients. Oh yeah guys, let's get started. So into my bowl, I'm just gonna add my eggs and some salt. So I'm just gonna go in with my electric mixer and I'm just gonna whisk that for 5 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna add in the sugar. So I'm just gonna add it in 2 parts. So for the first part, I'm just gonna whisk for like a minute. So we just want that sugar really dissolved. And I'm gonna add the other part and I'll whisk until this mixture is light, is fluffy, and is really airy. You will see a change in color, and this is the exact consistency you're looking for. At this time, I'm just gonna add in my vanilla and I'll just whisk for another 30 seconds. And that's it. So it's time to incorporate our dry ingredients with wet, and we're just gonna fold and cut. You're gonna do this slowly. So this is a very important stage, so you just have to be really careful. You fold and cut, you do it slowly but surely. It's a really delicate batter, so if you go really fast, chances are you're gonna deflate the batter and your cake is gonna come out flat. So I'm just gonna add the second part of my flour. I'm doing that with the aid of my spatula just to reduce the force. The flour is gonna drop on the batter, and yeah, just gonna go fold and cut slowly but surely. Fold and cut, so you have the chances of having flour trapped underneath the batter because it's really light. So you have to go slowly. Also, you have to ensure that you're thorough, and that's it. Can you see how silky and smooth this batter is? Oh, you definitely will love this recipe. I love the fact that it's really easy to put together, and you just need only 3 ingredients. That's a no-brainer guys. And then goes our batter into the prepared pan, and we're just gonna bake 350 degrees oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and let's become a family. And it's ready. It's ready guys. Can you see how beautifully gorgeous this cake is? So I allowed it to cool down for like 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna take off that parchment paper, and I love the beautiful gorgeous golden brown color. It's so yummy. I love you so much for watching and subscribing.